Chef. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I would make a Mike Gibb type track in Ableton. Now right here, I got the Catnip Deluxe Ableton rack, and I added a gritty pad, a stock pad from Ableton. You can find it in the instrument and pad section, and there you go, the gritty pad. Now what I did sounds like this. I added some chords, and this is what it came out to be. Now, Mike Gibb would usually add some vocals, to do a simple chops in the beginning. I would first get some vocals, if you have your own vocals, add that. I'm gonna try to use the built-in Ableton vocals. I'm gonna try using that. And I'm gonna drag this down. Copy, paste. So I want to keep the D sharp, or is it the F? Yeah, the F. That's the first one. So I'm probably just gonna take the bass notes and bring it up to a higher octave. You see what that sounds like? And now I'm gonna freeze it. And now I'm find it. And I'm gonna do some chops. Simple chops, nothing crazy. Just turning the velocity down every other one. So I'm duplicating by hitting Control D. I'm gonna add somehow a delay. Just to give it some rhythm, some movement. Now, I'm gonna go into my kits and let me pull out a 808 from the Naptime drum kit. I'm gonna pull out the Midnight Club. Turn it down and transpose it a little. And now I'm just chopping the famous haze a little bit and duplicating them. Now I'm just gonna chop the whips a little bit. And now I'm gonna go to the reverb bus and turn up the reverb a little bit. And then from that point on, if I was Mike Gibb, I would go straight to the drums. And basically I'm extending the first chord, including the first chord's vocal chops, and basically extending the expand. So instead of having 4 different chords that goes along with the vocal chops, I'm just gonna have 2 that goes with the vocal chops. So it sounds like this. And bring the last chord back in here. And that's basically how I would make a Mike Gibb track on Ableton. Now, of course, Mike Gibb's known to use his famous vocals and his breaks. That's always used in his Jersey Club tracks. But without the breaks and without his famous vocals, I think this would be like the basic structure. And of course, he would have different variations and stuff like that. But that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.